Okay, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're taking a look at the CPL G-Mist with lens hood filter kit from Freewell. Now this is still sealed up and I've just had this sent over. So Freewell reached out and said, we see you have an X100 Mark 6. Would you like to try our filter kit out? And which color would you like? So I had the option of obviously the silver or black body. Oh, this is my current configuration. So I've got a K&F black diffusion filter on the front here. I quite like it round like that. It just sort of keeps it nice and tidy. But I thought I would have a look at this filter kit from Freewell. So let's unbox this. So yeah, you're unboxing it with me and we will have a little look together. So quite a small box for this filter kit, but I guess there's not that much to it. So it looks like you've got 4 different sections and obviously a lens cap in there. So let's have a look in here. So we do this. Can't really see too much in there. Let's just open up the box totally. Okay, so what have we got in here? Let's take that out. Right, inside the actual box itself, a couple of Freewell stickers, bit of advertising for them, and a little lens cloth. And then this is the actual filter kit. So it should be fairly straightforward, really. So that's the lens hood. You see the filter already inside there. And let's just unscrew what we have on there already. And let's just screw this on with everything in place and see how easy it is. Okay, nice and tight on there. All right, so that free spins on the front. So if you want to align it, it's just free spinning, but it does have resistance to it. So that's quite good. With the square hood version I had, it was very difficult to get it lined up. And quite like this. I think that looks quite nice on the camera. It does protrude quite far out of the body. You can see that. With the original one that I had on here, that was the difference. So around there, whether you can see that. Let's go this way around. Yeah, so quite a difference, but this isn't really a hood, it's just more of a filter. So we're looking at this today. So I think what's really cool about this system is because it has a polarizer, a circular polarizer built in, you can adjust it via this on here. So I'm very eager to try that out. Let's see if we can see the density changing inside for the polarizer. No, it's a bit too dark. So we will need to go out and test that on some glass or some reflective surfaces. But that's very handy to be able to have that just easily adjustable with your finger like so. I'm also eager to test out the black pro mist filter that is also, or mist filter that is also built into this. So I will test that also. Oh, lens cap from Freewell. That goes on there perfectly. I think I might just use my original cap, which hopefully goes on. Well, that's my square hood cap, and that doesn't go on. So that basically tells me that the original cap for the X100 will not go on there. So yeah, they've made obviously their own cap for that, which fits perfectly, obviously. And yeah, essentially that is it. So that was our first look at the Freewell filter kit for the X100 Mark 6. I will be doing testing on this filter kit and I will put the results somewhere on the screen now if and when I shoot them. I hope you found this useful. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing and ring that bell if you'd like to be notified of future gear reviews. My first unboxing today, would you believe it, on this channel. So hopefully there'll be many more. But yeah, just thought I'd do this with you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.